the lid's glued shut. So what do? Okay, my shop hacks, I feel, are so simple, but I would appreciate seeing this and I would do it. Every time I need to swap out or add glue to my trusty glue mate, everybody does this. You scramble around, you look for channel locks, which you usually can't find, but I have these here because we're doing a video. But channel locks on the lid, comes right off. Here's the problem, is I can never find these. I used to leave them next to my glue bottle. And this lives in the same spot most of the time in my shop. I had them next to the glue bottle, but then you look for these for another project and they disappear. And I've got 10 pair of channel locks, so you'd think I'd be able to find a pair. But finally, after years and years of searching for channel locks, trying to get this lid off, a lot of times I gotta use it for this lid, I came up with this genius idea. And Rockler's probably gonna make a $15, $20 version of what I'm gonna do. Maybe I should sell them the design. Took me about an hour, 2 hours to engineer it. Just kidding. So here's my solution. Always have a glue bottle, always need a channel lock. Why not just take a rubber band, put it over your glue bottle, and then add your channel locks right to the glue bottle. So it goes with you everywhere you would need it. Like, oh man, can't get this off. Where's my channel locks? Oh, wait a tick. They're right here. Why not? Hope that stuck. I mean, glue. That's tight. Oh, I love it. It's so simple. I have a gazillion rubber bands laying around. Look at that. There you go. If you want to see more fun videos like this, Pumpkin, subscribe and like this video.